Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to reset this device. So if you want to reset it, what you'll have to do is to just hold down this button, this mute button here, for several seconds. As you can see, when I hold it,
to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And while I'm holding this button, like as you can see, these lights are glowing, and now it's completely force restarted. A factory reset.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.